Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to reduce background music from video on iPhone. First of all, launch your iMovie app, tap on Movie and select the video, tap on Create Movie, tap on the video clip, tap on Detach. A new blue colored audio clip appears beneath the video clip. You can now move, delete or edit the audio clip separately from its parent video clip. So select audio clip and tap on this audio icon, and now you can increase the volume. You can decrease the volume. You can increase the volume using this level. Once it's done, tap on down to the top left corner. Tap on the share icon and tap on save video, and the video will be saved to your Photos app. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.